Hello everybody, welcome back. So in this video I'll show you one of the greatest features in CorelDraw to help you design. It's called Blend Tool. So what Blend Tool does is that it will connect the first object with the second object, and then the first object will be duplicated so that it will morph with the second object. You can create some 3D looking outline look. For this, we're going to make a text, for example, just hi, for example, just like this. We make it larger. We do it like this, and then we click on weld to and then weld everything. Make sure that the outline is visible, and then we can edit some, some lines or something like that, so that it looks like this. Hold on. Once we're done doing this, then let's disconnect the lines by clicking here. And then when it's done, you can disconnect the points by breaking the line. Then you simply just do it like this. Once you've done, hold on, it will look like this. The lines are now disconnected. So what we're doing is that we're going to put a circle right at the center of the start of the path that we just created, and then we can color it to any color. For example, maybe pink. Remove the outlines, and then we want to do a radial gradient by simply clicking on here and then drag it just like so, and then our gradient is formed just like so. We can make the specular light to be much brighter just like so, and then for the ending point we copy the first ball and then we pasted it just like so. We can even change the color of the specular and the base of the ball so that it looks like this, and then we change it into this radial gradient just like so, and then we change also the color of the specular light just like so. And then once we've done that, we can use the blend tool. Drag the first object, drag the cursor so that the first object is connected with the second object, and then all we have to do now is to click here and then click on new path and then click on the path, which is this one. And then we click here and then we click on blend along full path just like this. Then we can duplicate it to, let's say, this, so that a cool outline effects is now formed just like so. Fancy, isn't it? And that's it about the uniqueness of blend tool in CorelDraw to help you create this 3D looking outlines just like this. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.